Need speed without sacrificing quality? In this video, we're showcasing the 5 best high-speed 3D printers that deliver fast, flawless prints. Whether you're working on tight deadlines or need to boost your productivity, these machines offer top-tier performance and impressive speed. From sleek designs to advanced technology, we'll break down what makes these printers stand out. Stick around to find the perfect high-speed 3D printer for your needs. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. KINGROON KP3S Pro V2 3D Printer. The KINGROON KP3S Pro V2 is a high-speed FDM 3D printer built for precision and performance. With Clipper firmware, it delivers faster print speeds without compromising quality. It prints at 200 to 350 millimeters per second, with a maximum working speed of 500 millimeters per second, ensuring rapid production. Whether for prototypes or detailed models, this machine is designed to keep up with demanding projects. Equipped with auto-leveling, the KP3S Pro V2 simplifies setup and ensures even prints. Its 300 watts power supply provides stable performance, while the metal frame construction enhances durability. The 200 by 200 by 200 millimeters print volume is ideal for a variety of creative applications. With a 0.4. Number 4. CREALITY Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. The CREALITY Ender 3v3 SE, a versatile FDM 3D printer designed for speed and precision. With a Sprite direct extrusion system, it ensures smooth and reliable filament feeding. It prints at 180 millimeters per second, reaching a maximum speed of 250 millimeters per second, making it ideal for quick and detailed prints. Equipped with dual Z-axis support, this printer maintains stability for consistent results. The 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters build volume offers ample space for various projects. It supports multiple materials, including PLA, PEG, and TPU, providing flexibility for different applications. With a 0.4 millimeters nozzle and 0.1 millimeters precision, it delivers sharp details and smooth finishes. The IU display simplifies navigation, enhancing the user experience. File compatibility includes STL, OBJ, 3MF, and AMF, ensuring broad software support. Compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux, the CREALITY Ender 3v3 SE is a great choice for beginners and professionals. Number 3. Flashforge Adventurer 3D Printer. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M, a high-speed FDM 3D printer built for precision and efficiency. With a maximum working speed of 600 millimeters per second, it significantly reduces print time while maintaining quality. Its full auto-leveling system ensures a hassle-free setup, making it ideal for beginners and professionals alike. Equipped with a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder, this printer supports a variety of materials, including PLA, PTG, TPU, and carbon fiber-infused filaments. The PI flexible plate makes print removal effortless, preventing damage to finished models. With a 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters build volume, it accommodates diverse printing needs. Delivering plus or minus 0.2 millimeters precision, this machine produces sharp, detailed prints. Multiple nozzle options, from 0.25 millimeters to 0.8 millimeters, offer flexibility for fine details or faster prints. It's compatible with FlashPrint 5, Cura, and Prusa, ensuring a seamless workflow. Designed for speed, accuracy, and ease of use, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M is a powerful addition to any workspace. With USB connectivity and support for Windows, macOS, and Linux, it's the perfect choice for creators looking for high performance and reliability. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Pro 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Pro is a high-performance resin 3D printer designed for incredible detail and speed. With 14K resolution at 13320 x 5120 pixels, it ensures precise and ultra-smooth prints. The 10.1-inch monochrome LCD enhances durability while reducing exposure times, leading to faster and more efficient printing. This printer supports a maximum speed of 170 millimeters per hour, making it one of the fastest in its class. It works seamlessly with high-speed 2.0 resin and standard resin, providing versatility for different printing needs. The maximum print size of 223 by 126 by 230 millimeters allows users to create detailed models with ease. A slice thickness of 0.01 to 0.15 millimeters ensures exceptional precision, capturing even the finest details. The USB interface makes file transfers simple, while 110-220V voltage compatibility ensures global usability. For professionals and hobbyists alike, the Photon Mono M7 Pro is a game changer. Its speed, resolution, and reliability make it a top choice for resin 3D printing. Number 1. VORON R2 3D Printer. The VORON R2 2.4 DIY Core XY 3D printer is a high-performance 3D printer kit designed for users who need precision and speed. With a maximum printing speed of up to 600 millimeters per second and a working speed of 300 millimeters per second, it delivers exceptional results. It also features auto-leveling, ensuring accuracy throughout the printing process. The printer is compatible with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, TPU, PTG, PA, and PC. Its precision is remarkable, with a plus or minus 0.01 millimeters tolerance, making it ideal for detailed prints. The maximum print size of 300 by 300 by 290 millimeters allows for larger projects. Equipped with Clipper firmware, Wi-Fi capability, and cloud printing, this printer offers remote control and monitoring. The VORON R2's high-temperature capabilities, with a 270 degrees Celsius nozzle and 90 degrees Celsius heated bed, further enhance its versatility for different materials. This printer's modular design and precision make it a top choice for hobbyists and professionals alike.